Debt relief for Florida residents. How to improve your credit score and financial situation with CuraDebt. If you are a resident of Florida, it's very likely sunshine, beautiful weather, and great college football are a part of your life. But unfortunately, debt is just as common for millions of everyday Floridians. Have you struggled to find the right help with debt problems in the Sunshine State? CuraDebt would love to talk with you about your issues. Our Florida Debt Relief Program offers a simple, personalized plan with big benefits that could change the course of your financial future. Look no further than CuraDebt for guidance and help. We understand the risks and challenges of this tough situation, but you can relax knowing that we will be here to guide you through it all with our experience and expertise. CuraDebt was founded by Eric Pemper, a man with extensive knowledge in the industry and more than 15 years of experience. To help individuals and families overcome their debt problems, Eric created CuraDebt. Our nationwide expansion has provided millions of Americans with relief from credit card debt and other financial stress since 2000. If you're considering a solution to your debt, call us at 1-877-850-3328. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions and provide more information about the available solutions. We're happy to provide you with more information and answer any questions you have about our debt solutions. Debt statistics in Florida. The pandemic has not just hurt Americans, it's created billions of dollars in debt for everyday families in Florida. The Sunshine State had a total of 13,595 bankruptcy filings in 2021, as well as 2,971 foreclosures. In today's society, bankruptcy is a common solution to overwhelming debt, but there are many, often better, alternative. In the past few years, many Americans have filed for Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy protection when they are unable to repay their debts. In Q1 of 2022, Florida had the second most bankruptcy filings in the United States. Here are some of the other debt statistics that have been causing chaos in the Sunshine State. Credit card. In 2021, Floridians' average credit card debt was $5,623, a nearly $1,500 decrease from 6 months prior. Credit score. The average credit score in the United States is 714. However, this number does not tell the whole story about Florida's residents. Even though the average FICO score of 701 falls below 714, Floridians still generally have strong credit ratings. Unemployment. Not only did the unemployment rate drop to 4.5%, but it also dropped below the national average, giving hope that perhaps bankruptcy and foreclosures would slow down as well. Mortgage debt. Florida residents owe, on average, nearly $50,000 in non-mortgage household debt. Florida consumer protection laws. Florida citizens are safeguarded from unfair debt collection practices and harassment by lenders. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA, was created by the federal government as the primary consumer protection law. It shields individuals from unethical debt collection practices, including when debt collectors can contact you and how many times a day they can contact you. The FDCPA is conscious of consumer safety and protects individuals from being harassed and deceived. It ensures that no consumer is getting ripped off their basic rights by debt collection companies. If you are tired of disturbing phone calls, speak with a counselor at CuraDebt. CuraDebt ensures you get your rights and will be your advocate and guide to help you defend against illegal debt collection tactics. Options for you in Florida debt concerns. What is debt settlement and how does it work? Debt settlement, also known as debt negotiation, is a way to negotiate with your creditors to pay less than the full amount that you owe in debt. With a debt settlement program, you can reduce late charges, interest rates, and other costs. If you are unable to pay the full amount due to any issue, the professional expertise of CuraDebt can help to reduce some burden. CuraDebt will use its decades of background and expertise to help you get the best possible debt terms. As soon as you get a personalized settlement letter, you can become assured that getting debt-free in just a matter of a few years. Benefits of debt settlement. Some of the benefits of debt settlement are: bankruptcy alternative, relief from devastating debts, Pay off your debt in a timely manner. Factors affecting debt settlement. After debt settlement, the total savings depend on a variety of circumstances, including total experience in the debt settlement organization, the age of the debt, your financial situation, your previous payment history. We are providing debt relief in Florida and all over the U.S. Debt which is included in Florida Debt Settlement Program. Credit cards, car repossession, repo, credit unions, department store cards, old accounts in the collection, personal loans, personal lines of credit, private student loans, signature loans, medical bills, any type of unsecured debt. Debt that is included in tax debt relief in Florida. CuraDebt will help you by directing you on the right path if you are dealing with tax debt. CuraDebt can assist you with these types of tax payments: state taxes, federal taxes, payable taxes, taxes from the spouse you feel you don't owe, interest, penalties, audit tax assessment, other types of tax debts. Business Debt Relief Program in Florida. CuraDebt is completely aware of the value of your business. CuraDebt will help your business with these types of debt: business debt, suppliers, vendors, lines of credits, merchant cash advance, other types of loans that are unsecured. What are the different options you have for debt relief in Florida? Before filing for bankruptcy, look into some of the other relief options that are available to you. Some options include: 1. Make regular minimum payments. This is the simplest and cheapest in the short term option, but comes with obvious long-term consequences. The most frequent problems with making minimum payments are: your debt will start to grow exponentially. Your credit score will decline. Very quickly, your few months of minimum payments have ballooned. Additionally, it will take you many years to get into debt-free, which is not an ideal situation. In short, having this option seems like a good choice, but it will make your life much more difficult. If there's one recommendation we have, it's to avoid monthly minimums as often as you can. 2. Balance transfer of payments. This is simple on paper: transfer a balance from one credit card to another credit card. However, with time your interest rate on your new credit card will go up, so you will end up back in the same mess as before. Also, keep in mind one hardship and one late payment will be enough to spike rates worse than before. Finally, transferring a balance to a new credit card can potentially be seen as fraud by the credit card company if you are not consistent with payments. Over time, credit card investigators will review your account, and again, this won't help your situation. In short, balance transfers may not be a great option. 3. Florida Credit Counseling and Debt Management Programs, DMP. Credit counseling offers DMPs for people who are struggling with high-interest unsecured loans, like credit cards, where you don't have to take out a bank loan. These agencies are run by non-profit organizations. With a DMP, you will be able to lower your monthly payments and interest rates. The creditor reduces your interest rate in exchange for a monthly payment. When paying through DMPs, your debts will be consolidated into one payment, which will simplify your financial obligations. DMPs aren't for everybody, so make sure you do your research and understand what they offer and what their cons may be. 4. Unsecured debt consolidation loans in Florida. Some examples of unsecured loans are credit cards, personal loans, and student loans. They are loans that are not backed by collateral. So, for example, if you default on a loan payment, there is nothing that they can physically take from you. Juggling multiple unsecured loans and having to remember to pay each one can make it very hard and confusing. You will be paying at least one bill every week to meet the multiple debt payments you owe. So, is paying multiple debts ideal for you? Of course not. Thankfully, there is a way that enables you to pay only one single payment every month. Now think about this option as a form of debt relief. Wouldn't it be easier for you to pay just one bill monthly, that too at a lower interest rate? This is known as debt consolidation, and it might be exactly what you're looking for. Debt consolidation is the process of taking out one loan to pay off several separate loans. It is like a hero who saves you from a lot of trouble. You won't have to set reminders for every debt payment or make time out of your busy schedule. You can just take out one loan to consolidate all other loans. You will just have to make one single payment every month. You typically receive a lower initial interest rate. Plus, having only a single bill to pay will ease your nerves. Yet, debt consolidation may come with some disadvantages, so it is crucial that before taking this step, you understand everything that comes with it. At CuraDebt, we will make sure this step is right for you before you commit to it. 5. Secured debt consolidation loans in Florida. Secured loans are loans that are given and backed by collateral. Such examples of this would be a mortgage loan or an auto loan. If you default on these loan payments, the lender can use that asset as payment. The lender has the legal right to seize your property if you are not able to repay the loan because of unforeseen reasons. One of the benefits of getting a secured loan is they are easier to obtain. The lender sees it as less risk for them because if the borrower defaults, they likely don't need to worry about never seeing their money again. Additionally, the interest rates with this type of loan can be lower. On the other hand, it can be highly risky for the borrower because if you do this, you risk the chance of losing your home or car. However, if this is done with professional help like CuraDebt, you can get some room to breathe. With the lowest interest rates and high savings, CuraDebt will come to your rescue. 6. Florida Credit Counseling. Credit counseling can be a precious tool when trying to manage your finances and debt. With countless years of experience and expertise, credit counselors can help you to manage your debt. This approach is intended to assist borrowers who are struggling to manage their debt. People who want to consolidate their debts or raise their credit scores might also benefit from it. There is not a single moment of doubt that it used to be a good option. However, over time, fees and interest rates rise tremendously. Counselors answer your inquiries and also give information on various debt repayment choices, such as payment plans or hardship exemptions from late fees or other costs. 7. Filing for bankruptcy in Florida. In Florida, filing for bankruptcy is the last remaining choice. Chapter 7 bankruptcy will apply if your income is lower than the median income in your state. Chapter 13 bankruptcy may be an option if your salary is higher than the state median income but you are still unable to repay the debt. Your business will be subject to Chapter 11 bankruptcy if it is insolvent and unable to pay its debts. Bankruptcy is the last possible and least preferable solution. Before taking any decision to declare bankruptcy, you should discuss it with a professional, whom you understand the ramifications that may stay with you for decades. 8. Merchant Cash Advance, MCA. A merchant cash advance loan is a loan for operating firms that require additional funds to manage different business operations. Business receivables are a guarantee for MCA loans. If your company is unable to repay a loan, the lender will be allowed to collect receivables in your name. Your business is a result of your hard work. While leverage can be used to relieve yourself of debt, it seems like a good idea. However, you seriously risk hurting yourself, any employees, and your clients if this goes wrong. Even worse, any risk to your revenue will make it more difficult for you to repay your debt if this business is how you get your money exclusively or largely. Debt destroys both people and families. You will begin to observe changes with expert assistance and direction. For your debt relief, a reputable company like CuraDebt is necessary. Debt Relief Florida FAQs. How long can a lender go after you to collect debt in Florida? The statute of limitations for debt in Florida is normally 5 years. When the 5-year period has passed, creditors can no longer sue the borrower to try to recoup the amount. Do you qualify for debt settlement in Florida? This program is specifically designed for people experiencing problems like income loss or unforeseen bills. Do you frequently make only the minimum payments because of debt problems? Are you still battling debt that has outgrown your expectations? Get in touch with a CuraDebt counselor to find out if you're eligible. We will assess your cash flows to see whether you are eligible for this program. A free estimate of your savings from the debt relief program will be sent to you by us. CuraDebt will work for you and significantly reduce the cost of your debt settlement. You can pay off your debt faster with CuraDebt. How much will it cost? In Florida, there are numerous debt relief options, each with its requirements. Some programs offer immediate assistance, while others ask you to wait until the start of their payment plan before receiving any funds in exchange for paying off your debts more quickly than usual. With unmatched service, CuraDebt gives you the best competitive rates. Most importantly, CuraDebt's debt relief program does not require an upfront fee. What makes CuraDebt one of the best debt settlement companies in Florida? The team that founded CuraDebt had been helping individuals and small businesses locally since 1996, in Irvine, California. In 2000, CuraDebt was formed to help even more people nationwide. Since 1996, CuraDebt has been helping people to overcome financial struggles by providing them with a legal and ethical debt relief program. Our founder, Eric Pemper, has seen the negative effects of debt firsthand. He has expanded nationwide in 2000 to help people who were struggling with debt fatigue. CuraDebt is one of the oldest, most experienced, licensed, and bonded organizations, saving hundreds of people from debt fatigue. CuraDebt has been helping individuals and small businesses for over 22 years nationwide, making the company and team one of the oldest and most experienced in the debt relief industry. We've helped settle millions of dollars of debt. We have helped thousands of people since 1998 and expanded nationwide in just 2 years. CuraDebt is one of the oldest and most experienced companies in the U.S. We are IAPDA and BSI certified. We provide a free saving estimate and devise a plan specifically modeled toward your needs. No hidden charges. Honesty and integrity are what we stand for. Our success rate is high because client satisfaction and happiness are the main mission at CuraDebt. Over 1,000 plus reviews and a 5-star rating on Customer Lobby. With a 4.9-star average on Shopper Approved, we are the most trusted company by people across the USA. 140 plus Google reviews with an average of 4.9-star ratings. CuraDebt is a good standing member of the Online Business Bureau, American Fair Credit Council, U.S. Chamber of Commerce, and AFCC. We know how to get our clients the best possible settlement with creditors. We help settle debts quickly. We're incredibly efficient and cost-effective as well. Our top-notch customer service ensures to address any queries or concerns our clients may have. With CuraDebt, you are in the right hands. With perfect ratings and 0 complaints, we are confident we are the best in our industry. We are more resourceful than any competitor in the market and help you at every step along the way. If you're a Florida resident and you're struggling with debt, there are options available to you. Debt relief programs can provide you with the financial assistance you need to get out of debt. If you're struggling with debt, don't wait, reach out for help today. CuraDebt can assist in controlling your finances and getting out of debt without any hassle of hidden fees or unfamiliar terms and conditions. Learn more about how CuraDebt works to help its clients. Get rid of your high-interest rate debt and create a debt-free future with us. Call 877-850-3328 for a free consultation now.